Want to avoid overpaying on Polygon gas fees? Here's how to quickly use a gas fees estimator. Step 1. Go to Polygon Gas Tracker. Open your browser and head to polygonscan.com/gas tracker. This page shows live gas prices across different speed tiers: standard, fast, and rapid. Step 2. Understand the fees. You'll see three key values: GWEI, which is the gas price unit; transaction time, how fast your transaction will process; and estimated cost in MATIC. Choose based on your needs. Want it fast? Pick rapid. Want to save? Choose standard. Step 3. Use it with your wallet. When sending a transaction in MetaMask or another wallet, click Edit Gas Fees. Now input the GWEI value you saw on Polygon scan. This ensures you're paying accurate, optimized gas fees. That's it. You're now using Polygon's gas estimator like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.